Hello and welcome to the town that never was. I'm here today as the Cthulhu Party and I'm here with my friend Melissa of the Green Ferret Illustration, and we have all our permits and things and tentacly things going on in the plumber's shop in Bliss Hill, Victorian Town. So we're going to go and take a look around. Well, we're opening in 10 minutes. I think it could be time to have a little look around before it gets busy. So we're in what's called Artisans Yard, which is kind of at the back of the main street, near to where the little steam engine is. And we'll just take a little walk through to the main street. You might see, say, a little steam engine over there, and then a nice little Victorian street down here. So we're going to just take a wander down. Yeah, so here we come round onto the main street. There's a little post office. You never know, somebody might rob it later. We'll have to find out later in this video. So yeah, I'm just taking, as I say, a bit of a walk round before it opens, and yes, we had an election. Well, I say we have an election. We had an election later, which we were up against the Social Fezocratic Party and the Biscuit Appreciation Party, and that ended with a coalition because with COVID we couldn't actually have votes. But yes, anyway.
Biscuit Appreciation Party, or very nearly.
Very nearly, yes.
There are no winners, this is power share.
Yeah, coalition. Coalition, yes. Coalition of chaos.
Help! The post office just been robbed!
Which way do we go? Which way do we run? That way. Which way do we run? Which way? That way. Okay, run that way. I'm glad the sheriff's not here. Honestly.
Another successful heist! Manager!
So we're early morning again now, this time on the Sunday, and finally managed to get down to the bottom to take a look at some of the bits down there. So we have airships down at the bottom, so I'm not sure whose this one was, but it was quite a magnificent thing. Have a little sort of wacky racer type thing there, and then we head over to MV Storm Petrel. Good morning.
Still in office?
Currently, yes. Yes.
The words coup d'etat spring to mind. Jesus Christ.
Yes, so that was just a very chilled out sort of look around, a few bits at the town that never was 2021. Thank you very much for watching.